Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm diving into a topic that affects so many of us, sensitive skincare. Whether you're dealing with occasional flare-ups or constant irritation, this video is here to help. If your skin easily gets irritated, feels tight, or reacts to products, you know how frustrating it can be. Then this video is for you. Let's jump right in. First things first, what is sensitive skin? Understanding this is crucial for managing it effectively. Sensitive skin can be a result of a variety of factors: genetics, environmental influences, or even your skincare routine. It's not just about having a bad reaction to a product, it's about how your skin responds to the world around you. It feels itchy, burns, or gets red easily. These symptoms can be triggered by anything from weather changes to stress. Yeah, it can be super annoying. But don't lose hope. There are ways to manage it. But don't worry, I've got some tips to help you manage it. Number 1, always read the labels. This might seem obvious, but it's often overlooked. Look for products that are fragrance-free, hypoallergenic, and designed for sensitive skin. These products are formulated to minimize irritation and keep your skin calm. Ingredients like alcohol, artificial fragrances, and harsh chemicals can be a nightmare for sensitive skin. They can strip your skin of its natural oils and cause more harm than good. Instead, opt for gentle cleansers and moisturizers with soothing ingredients like aloe vera, chamomile, and oatmeal. These ingredients are known for their calming properties. Number 2, patch test new products. I know it sounds tedious, but trust me, it's worth it. A patch test can save you from a lot of discomfort and potential skin damage. Apply a small amount of the product on your wrist or behind your ear and wait 24 hours. This will give you a good indication of how your skin will react. If there's no reaction, you're good to go. It's a small step that can make a big difference. Number 3, less is more. When it comes to sensitive skin, simplicity is key. Keep your skincare routine simple. You don't need a 10-step regimen. In fact, using too many products can overwhelm your skin and cause more issues. A gentle cleanser, a soothing moisturizer, and sunscreen are your essentials. Speaking of sunscreen, always wear it. This cannot be stressed enough. Sun exposure can make sensitive skin even worse. The UV rays can cause inflammation and redness, making your skin more sensitive over time. Number 4. Be mindful of your environment. Your surroundings play a significant role in how your skin behaves. Extreme weather conditions, pollution, and even stress can trigger sensitivity. It's important to be aware of these factors and take steps to protect your skin. Keep your skin protected with a barrier cream and try to stay calm. Stress management is crucial because stress can exacerbate skin issues. Yoga or meditation can help reduce skin flare-ups caused by stress. These practices help in calming your mind, which in turn calms your skin. And finally, number 5, listen to your skin. Your skin communicates with you. You just need to pay attention. If something doesn't feel right, stop using it. It's better to be cautious than to deal with a full-blown reaction. Your skin knows what it needs. Trust your instincts and give your skin the care it deserves. So there you have it, folks, a quick guide to taking care of sensitive skin. Remember, patience is key. Finding the right products and routine might take some time, but your skin will thank you for it. It's a journey, not a race. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Your support means the world to us. Until next time, take care of your skin and stay radiant.